Hey everybody, let's talk about how to fix sleeper thread not going through. If your sleeper thread isn't going through, it is usually due to leak settings, roster locks, or an off-season hold. So what you can do is check for the trade review period. Accepted trades don't always process instantly. If your leak has a pending review period, for example 1 to 2 days, the trade will process at the next processing time. Tap the pending trade in your leak chat to see the exact time it will process. Now, if the trade review period is frustratingly long, just contact your league commissioner. They have the power to manually force through or process the trade instantly instead of waiting. Now, double check if either team has an illegal lineup. For example, a player is an IR spot who is no longer listed as out. You cannot execute a trade or make roster moves until illegal lineup issues are fixed. Now, if it's late in the season, your league's trade deadline might have already passed. Check your league settings or ask your commissioner. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next one.